Hi, and welcome back for video 4 of our Mora-based approach to ancient Greek accentuation. Here we are going to deal with Rule 3. Rule 3 says that processive accentuation assigns the high tone to Mora 1. In other words, it's just going to be an acute on whatever the final or only vowel of a word is. Processive accentuation is distinguished from recessive accentuation, which is governed by rules 1 and 2, because recessive accentuation is trying to pull the tone away from Mora 1 to Mora 3 or Mora 4 or Mora 2. Sometimes it can't because there's only one Mora, so sometimes recessive accentuation can lead to Mora 1 tone as well. But if the vowel at the end of a word, or the only vowel of a word, as here, is bimeraic, if it is long, you can tell the difference between processive and recessive accentuation. The top form, these are two interjections, O, and the top form clearly has processive accentuation because it has the high tone on Mora 1, whereas the one on the bottom clearly has recessive accentuation because it is pulling it away to Mora 2, and that is shown by the circumflex accent. If a word doesn't change form, if it's an indeclinable, and this covers lots of things like conjunctions, prepositions, particles, if there's only one Mora, or if the tone is limited to the last vowel, which only has one Mora, you actually can't tell whether it has recessive or processive accentuation, like the particle de here. There's only one way to accent a single Mora, and that is with the high tone on it, and that will show up as an acute. Whether this got there through processive or recessive accentuation is a question we can't answer. It's a part of just word formation, where words that don't change form are simply assigned a tone by the language. When it comes to nouns, adjectives, and pronouns, and where they are only of one syllable, they only have one vowel, or the vowel at the end is the limit vowel, so tone is going to be restricted to it, then we'll be able to tell pretty regularly whether something is recessive or processive, and that is what Rule 4 is going to be about.